Sup fellas, Colossal, 10 to 6, Saturday night, the 22nd. Heading to my local Wally. No, I'm sorry, I'm heading to Cabelas. They got some, I'm actually in the market for some 22-250. I know they got a few boxes of that, some Herters brand, which is going to be about as cheap as they can get. We're going to also see whatever they got left over from yesterday, from that 9mm that I saw, the 22 that I saw, and just a bunch of other stuff. My guess is they still got a little bit of something left, but nonetheless, I'm going to grab that 22-250 that I know they got. Pick it up. The song, you're the ammo man. Sing us the song tonight. We're feeling alright. All right, boys, here you go. I ended up getting 5 boxes. That was their limit. Actually, that's all they had anyway. Of the Herters, which is Winchester 22-250, 55 grainer. These were $18.99 a box. Came to just over 20 bucks a box after tax. So just over 100 bucks for all 5 Cabelas. I think I'm done for the weekend, boys. I'm out.